Introduction to AI Fitness Apps.
AI fitness apps use artificial intelligence to create personalized workout routines tailored to your unique needs. By analyzing your input, such as fitness level, goals, and available equipment, these apps recommend exercises and schedules. This approach makes it easier to stay on track, increase motivation, and achieve your desired results faster than generic workout plans.
Getting started, setting up your profile.
Start by downloading your chosen AI fitness app and creating a profile. Enter details like age, weight, height, current fitness level, and specific goals, for example, gaining muscle or losing weight. Many apps may also ask about medical conditions or previous injuries to ensure your routines are both safe and effective.
Personalizing your workout plan.
Once your details are set, the app uses AI algorithms to generate a customized workout plan. This might include recommended exercises, intensity levels, and rest days. The plan adapts to your goals, experience, and preferences, helping you avoid routines that are too easy, too hard, or simply not enjoyable.
Tracking progress and giving feedback.
As you complete each workout, log your progress within the app. Many AI fitness apps prompt you to rate difficulty, enter repetitions, or note how you felt. This feedback helps the AI learn about your progress and adjust upcoming routines, ensuring continuous improvement and reducing the risk of plateauing.
Continuous adaptation and motivation.
AI fitness apps regularly review your performance data to update your workout plan. You'll receive new challenges, recommendations, and motivational tips to keep you engaged. These smart adjustments help maintain variety, encourage consistent exercise, and support long-term fitness success, tailored just for you.